Aware ni titru ene wedding ababe ade bia ene wiase mu wo bia ene gihu ye papa ne senti ama imebunu dodro na entomobo ase enhwehwe oba pa anase be ma papa woni ne bobra ebeboa ama eye na brabo akoso ne senti no abra no na emmofrei anase imebuni wo mo ebre ye papa ne senti body soul and spirit workshop bosumi bia ede dwumedie tronko ehhehye so ekyerechire emebunu no ekwampa wo mbetimi afa so atoto wo mo bra sa workshop yi ema impenifo etwotworo afi counselors ahodro any motivational speakers ebepiem ewase a wo modi omanu sem atudwa na ahemfo ene mahema bebre so ebepiem ewo hobi penipa woda workshop ya no Reverend Dr. Nanaya Owusu-Prempeh ekyerechire mu se wudu ti era relationship bi mu a ewo se wo ma weni da ho yie papa esanse woda achi yie die no ejine no so.
I am very tired of seeing especially good people live in poverty. And a lot of it is because we don't know how to manage our relationships. Because God has blessed all of us with different things. The ideas that I have may not be the ideas that you have. But the money that you have may not be the money that I have. So relationships are supposed to bring synergy, connections, and completions. When idea meets money, there has to be success.
Life coach and a renowned counselor our manga na hanom de wo manfo enim ni yie papa yewura kwaku edumata enso ekyerechire musa wo ba wo manga na hani wiase nyina aware dodro na egu esanse wo monto mo bo ase emplane ni yie
amanfo ti wedding ase akoye say almost spending time investment in wedding rather than aware na and spending too much time on the wedding name wedding mpo na amanfo nti ase because wedding the way wedding you are now announcing your differential and na make say enima de kronti oba chef fita anabema she tuntum no eye esum ne han eti se me esum tum me bema oba ne de ne han no ebe kire me kwan ana se oba no so koda kanemu na yempese obi ehu de wo ya nanim guase banam dem sum de misum no akova no so that is what it means it is a yentumi no ante ye ho ase ne hu se ba ko yesum ba ko ye han enti yemi no nyina betima ye a day like you can say ade ache ade asa na one day aba so that is what relationship is about. That is the other wisdom of it.
Penipa one also Eda Charles Bachman Foundation ano Dr. Charles Bachman one also echechem kwan ye betimi afa so a ye beyi ye hokafo papa.
First of all, as also we one as always why you ready na. Number two is all tobo patience. When they obano muditi bokwa musuamo ho mu temperament mutumu bokra when yampai bwasam mobompai still mudi boni nti ende nyansa ne de wale na wo hwene sade ne nyi nyefe no kwa wonan antena fe so onye dabi mempene sa enye papa nti wo hun na woni gye ne ho a na fe wo na bonkomo opene so a na so wo na koche wo ma menom and then just sebe but a kind of security so we bush your phone nimwa and then papa no ma minim na reduce disappointment.
Sa dwumedie ikwesia da bia edikan e wo bosumi biem no eyade ampenifo esinkonya eto omobo ase e de hyehye so